Australia's Northern Territory, one long road, a head that abides, and a journey in the middle of nowhere. In this video, I'll take you from Darwin to Katherine, deep into Elsey National Park, and finally, I'll sleep at the most legendary pub in the Outback, the Daly Waters Pub. There's no phone signal, no fast food, but there's an adventure. So, let's hit the road. We left Darwin early in the morning, headed south on the Stuart Highway. If you're doing this trip, get fuel before you leave Darwin, because options get rare real quick. Darwin to Katherine is about 320 km, a solid 3 to 3.5 hours drive. Start with your full tank, bring plenty of water, and download your maps offline. There's barely any phone signal once you leave the city. By the time we reached Katherine, we were surrounded by the red dirt, bobs trees, and pure territory energy. Katherine is more than just a fuel stop. If you have time, don't miss Katherine's Gorge, or what's local called Outback National Park. You can hike, kayak, or take a cruise through the gorge. It's stunning at the golden hour. There's a visitor center, a cafe, and a few campgrounds around here. About an hour from the Katherine, we reach Elsey National Park, home of the magical Mataranka thermal pools. As you can see in here, the forest is really majestic. The color of the trees is kinda dark. It was because of last year there's a bushfire and this place is survived. So now the combination of the color of the trees and the nature, man, this is really stunning. So we stopped by here and we prepare for lunch. Well, nothing fancy. We just cook some noodle and eat some snacks. Just hang out together. It is really nice vibe. The water here stays around 34 degrees Celsius all year round, perfect for soaking your legs after diving. There are two main pools here. First one is a Mataranka thermal pool. It is more accessible and family friendly. And the second one is a Bitter Springs. It's a quieter, more natural, and perfect for floating with a snorkel. Fun fact, this place was made famous by the Australian novel We of the Never Never, and you can still visit the replica homestead in the park. And yeah, for the camping tips, you can stay overnight at Mataranka Homestay Campground. They have powered side, toilets, and even a bar with live music. But just be aware, during the wet season, some area is flooded and there might be a crocodile warning. After a dip in a paradise, we continue south toward one of the quirkiest places in the country. One of the oldest and the most iconic pubs in the Northern Territory, and definitely the weirdest place I've ever slept. This place is legendary. It started serving drinks in the 1930s and hasn't stopped since. Today, it's covered in bronze, banknote, road sign, and everything you can imagine. You can eat, drink, watch live music, and yeah, even a camp behind the pub. For only about 10 or 20 dollars, you can camp in the back powered or unpowered. Get there before 4 p.m. to grab a good camping spot, and if you're lucky, there might be a band playing under the stars. So the Daly Waters, a tiny dot on the map, but a massive legend in the Outback. Especially the pub, it isn't just old, it's an iconic. When they opened it in the 1930s, now all the backpackers must stop in here. It's loud, it's weird, it's full of brass inside, license plates and stories from all over the world. The vibe here is a little bit chaotic, a whole lot of charms. Just order the beef and barras, grab a cold beer, and don't forget to leave something behind on the wall. Everyone does. It's kind of place where you arrive as a stranger and live with the red dust in your shoes, and story no one back home will believe. There's a fuel station just across the road, one of the last before you head deeper into the Outback, so fill up while you can.
Open for the fuel and then...
Oh, it's not open yet?
Oh, no, I think you have to wait longer.
Okay.
So I don't know if... Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Oh, sorry, no.
Oh, maybe we have to
sorry.
buy it in the pub?
No. I think the pub, they turn the petrol on.
Okay.
Inside this one.
So I have to ask them
Yes.
first and... Okay. We ended the day here, full belly, full memory cards, and sky full of stars. So the Northern Territory feels like a different planet. It's dry, dusty, and raw, but full of life. And sometimes the best thing you can do is just drive and see what the road gives you. If you enjoy this video, hit like and subscribe. I've got more camp style road trips, Milky Way adventure, and wild Australian landscapes coming up. This was just the beginning.
Subscribe for more camping and adventure life.